liquids and gases.
Myra, now stop playing. You need to go back to your studies. Remember, you have an exam tomorrow.
Okay, Mummy, I have to learn about solids, liquids, and gases for my exam.
Hi, Myra.
Who are you?
I'm your knowledge genie. I will help you in your study.
Really? Can you help me with science?
Oh, yes. I can do anything.
Okay, then tell me what is matter?
Everything we see around us is made of matter. It is anything that occupies space and has weight. Matter exists in 3 states. Look at your table. It is solid. The milk you're drinking is a liquid. The air you breathe is a gas. You cannot see gas or air, but it is a form of matter.
Oh yes. See, I filled air in this balloon some time back.
All matter is made of tiny units that are not visible to the naked eye. These are called molecules. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance that has all the properties of that substance.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Look at this sugar molecule. It is the smallest particle of sugar. Each molecule has all the properties of sugar.
Oh, I got it now. All sugar molecules have same color, size, shape, and taste too. That is why all the molecules taste sweet.
Excellent. Look here. A molecule can be further broken down into still smaller units called atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. All kinds of matter in the world is made up of about 117 kinds of atoms. Atoms of the same kind form elements. Atoms of different kinds combine and form compounds.
More about molecules.
Molecules are always in a state of motion. They never stop moving. They are constantly attracted towards each other. In solids, the molecules are very close to each other. They attract each other with great force. So a solid is hard, rigid, and has a definite shape and volume. So your book would not change its shape or size. In liquids, the molecules are less closely packed. The attraction between the molecules in liquids is less as compared with that in solids. Molecules can move around freely. That is why liquids can flow. A liquid has a definite volume, but no definite shape. It takes the shape of the container, like the milk in your glass has taken the shape of the glass. In gases, the molecules are separated by large empty spaces. They have a lot of freedom to move about. The molecules in a gas move faster than the molecules in a solid or a liquid. That is why a gas has no definite shape or volume.
Solids in water.
What are you doing?
I like my milk sweet, so I'm mixing sugar in milk.
Okay, you're mixing a solid in a liquid. Do you know substances such as sugar and salt are soluble in water because the molecules of sugar and salt can find space between the molecules of water. Here's some magic for you. I'll add a few crystals of potassium permanganate to water. See how the color spreads.
Wow, I want to see more magic. Let's dissolve these plastic beads in water.
Myra, these will not dissolve. Some substances do not dissolve in water.
Can you name such insoluble substances?
Sand, pebbles, sawdust, and chalk powder do not dissolve in water.
Liquids in water.
Now I'll show you how we can mix two liquids together. Here's a glass half filled with water. When I add a tablespoon of glycerine to it and stir them, both the liquids mix together and appear as one liquid. See how they have dissolved in each other. They are said to be miscible. Alcohol is another liquid that is miscible in water. Kerosene, however, cannot be dissolved in water and is called immiscible. Paints, though liquids, also do not dissolve in water, but they can be dissolved in another liquid called turpentine.
Gases in water.
Can we dissolve gases in water?
Yes, we can. Gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia, and carbon dioxide can dissolve in water. Fish and other animals that live in water breathe in the oxygen dissolved in water. Myra, have you ever seen water boil?
Yes, I have seen that bubbles form on the sides of the vessel and at the bottom of the water. Ginny, tell me, why do these bubbles form?
These bubbles are the dissolved gases that separate from water on heating. Do you know how aerated drinks are different from orange juice or nimbu pani?
Yes, there are bubbles in the aerated drink, but not in orange juice and Nibu Pani.
The gas that bubbles out of an aerated drink is carbon dioxide. It is dissolved in water under great pressure.
Thank you, Ginny. I'm sure I will get good marks in my exam tomorrow. Please come again later.
Bye!